Yes, hello friends and investors. Welcome to another pantropical island in the Philippines, the island of Panglao, here in the province of Bohol. So we're off to Panglao Island now because we're going to visit. Yes, we're off to Royal Ocean Crest Panglao, a condominium project by Primary Homes Incorporated here in the island of Panglao. And it's going to be located in Dawis, the best place to live here in Bohol. That's their tagline. It's another town of the two towns composing the island of Panglao. But I'm from the best place to love in Albuquerque. So natakaroon na diri sa bridge from mainland Bohol in Tagbilaran City, connecting Tagbilaran City to the town of Dawis in the island of Panglao. So there are two bridges, but there's going to be a third bridge ongoing construction right now. So this is the ongoing construction for Royal Ocean Crest Panglao 2, since the first phase is already sold out, and that's the compliance with the government agencies, especially with the SHUD, or Department of Human Settlement and Urban Development. We're now at the site of the showroom located in San Isidro, Dawis. This is a site of the first Royal Ocean Crest Panglao's condominium project by Primary Homes. Yes, hello friends and investors. Welcome to San Isidro, Dawis. This is along the highway. We're actually here at the showroom of Royal Ocean Crest Panglao. You getaway of your dreams, gateway to new experiences, and it's a great investment deal. Your gateway, your getaway. So mga siyang showrooms. Actually, all units here at Royal Ocean Crest Panglao. Actually, second installment na siya kay sold out ng first phase of the project.
It feels so good.
Yes, hello friends and investors. My name is Alan Ray Clavado Locura, your Boholano broker and real estate appraiser in the Philippines. So finally, it's actually my first time to be here at the showroom of Royal Ocean Crest Panglao. This is actually the second installment of the condominium project here in the Pantropical Island, Panglao. During the release of the first installment, Royal Ocean Crest Panglao, medyo na-busy to sa pandemic days. But also, at least now, finally, I'm here, and the available inventories are all one-bedroom units of more or less 30 square meters, and it's priced now between 3.5 to 4.5 million pesos. And in a while, we'll be checking out the model for the one-bedroom unit here, and one of a video actually to dedicate one. So actually this project is very close to, it's actually walking distance to the beach area, coastal area. So as you may know, Panglao Island is composed of two municipalities, the municipality of Dawis and municipality of Panglao. Mura na po siya Mactan Island, na Lapu-Lapu City and the Cordova town. So nana siya sa Dawis, it's the tagline of Dawis is actually the best place to live here in Bohol. And true enough, daghan kay subdivisions there and Primary Homes is here. So maybe that's one of the reasons why. And they already have plenty of successful subdivision projects here in Panglao. We have Royal Palms Panglao for four installments already, four development sites, and then they also have Richwood Homes. And now they've come up with a condominium project so that our foreign investors would have investment here in the island of Panglao. Foreigners can own condominium units here in the Philippines. And let's check out the model unit. Dear friends and investors, this is the scale model for the whole 5-tower development of Royal Ocean Crest Panglao 2, Season 2. So this is Tower A, Tower B, C, D, and E. So choose the best answer in the board exam. But the first tower, which is going to be turned over or expected to be completed, is going to be Tower A. And it is expected to be delivered in the year 2026. It's going to be 2 years from now for Royal Ocean Crest Panglao. Second project. The location is actually in Dao, Dawis town in the Pantropical Island of Panglao. So let's proceed to the model unit. This is the bear, or this is the
Model.
dress up unit.
Yeah, the deliverable.
Let's check the bear unit first. Okay, again, this is 30 square meters more or less. And this is going to be the deliverable unit. So as you see, it's tiled on the floor, and then white paint on walls. And this is going to be the toilet and bath. So, naka-tile siya. Ano na, siya shower head. Oh, shower head. And then the water closet, of course. Then let's proceed to the... Basically, this area is a kitchen area. So, naka-enclose siya. Okay kayo. Okay kayo. Of course, because this is a one-bedroom. One siya bedroom area. Grabe ang tingin ko yung reverberator studio. And then, this is the balcony. So all units are provided with balcony, right? May balcony pa na unit to.
Yes.
Yes. Shout out tayo sa mga taga-Bilisan, Panglawe, taga-Bilisan, isa ka-staff na rin. My grandfather is a war veteran, pero namatay na siya. Namatay siya sa Vallejo, California, US. Okay? Pero taga-Bilisan siya, tubong Bilisan, makamas ito na highlight. Shout out if you see this video na relevant sa mga armas ito, please hit like, share, and subscribe. This is the balcony area. So the views available here at Royal Ocean Crest, Palau. You can have the sunrise view facing east. So it's about 10 in the morning, so the sun is still here, right here. And 12 noon, once the sunset of Bolivar. And then after sunset view, if you wanna enjoy the sunset from your balcony, you have to get units, sunset view units. So let's check out the. There's some units na interior siya. So interior is of course for the account of the buyer. So muna siya. This is the toilet. So expectation versus reality. This is a dress-up unit, guys. Naka-tile siya. So nanay mga curtain. So wala man yung diba ganina. Then nanay mirror on wall. Salamin. So of course water closet is still there. And then so wow, nice. This is the living area. And then at the same time your dining area, since this is only more or less 30 square meters. It's your kitchen right here. So naka-interior na siya, guys. So basically, dress up na siya to give the buyer a perspective of how the unit's gonna look like if ilan nang improve. So I can hire interior designer to to do the interiors and the improvement of your units. So basically the kitchen sink, na siya yung mga kitchen appliance. Ito na siya. Okay. It's where you put your coats. Then under cabinets, mahayad ni mo. And then the cabinets on the top. I arrange hood. So nice. Pwede mo link ko na.
Okay ra.
Thank you for not sitting.
But okay
But
ra.
for the purpose of this video. And then the bed, guys. There is a bed here. Tapos dahil CCTV. If you want your house to be secure, kung may mga burglars, tayo burglar alarm. Of course, dahil ka na smoke detector. And then there's a CCTV in the house. So I've been checking out some suppliers of CCTV systems sa Cebu. So basically nasa mga 30,000 pesos for the CCTV system inside your house. So ginamit mga supplier for CCTV. Just find on Facebook. O pwede i-link. Dito sa gawas kay nice kayo diri sa gawas magpa-init. Magpa-tan. Nice. So this is it's 10 in the morning, so next Sunday. This is actually facing east. This unit has a view, a good sunrise view. So yeah, mga to siya. Hello friends and investors, welcome to Royal Ocean Crest Panglao showroom. So this is actually the extension office of Baiso, di ba ito? Mga banggitan ni engineer sa Baiso, guys. Engineer Julie and Engineer Chacha. So umuhar mag-engineer siguro ay number 1 requirement ng Baiso, ha. So sila karon na engineer in charge of Royal Ocean Crest Panglao. And as you see, grabe yung kalidad ng project at taga Baiso, mga engineers. Sana all. So there you have it, friends and investors. Those are the model units for Primary Homes project here in San Isidro, Dawis, Panglao Island, Bohol. This is Richwood Homes 2, right? Samahan siya. Ano sa name niyo mo, kuya? Si Marvin siya ang kuha na caretaker. Anihara siya if ginahan mo bisita sa site. He will take care of you. And guys, if you want to reserve here sa Richwood Homes, please do contact me. I'm a whole broker and real estate appraiser here in the Philippines. I'm Ray Cavanolo Carey. Yeah, okay na. Okay na. Okay. Yes, hello friends and investors. Okay na. Yes, hello friends and investors.
Kinikilig na naman ako, pero ngayon ay parang kakaiba. Pag nakatingin sa iyong mata, ang mundo